They are popularly called Arnold's pumpers or Roids, juices, etc. Do you know what these terms are? These are actually the common street terms or slang terms that are often used for steroids. Steroids are one of the most talked about things of the modern times. Steroids are hormone drugs that are derived from testosterone, that is potent androgenic hormone produced chiefly by the testes and responsible for the development of male secondary sex characteristics. Steroids are the drugs having a number of androgenic and anabolic qualities. That is why these drugs are more popularly known as anabolic steroids. Steroids are medically meant to be taken as part of a regimen to help restoring vitality in aging men and women, but steroids are widely used, rather abused by jocks and athletes. Steroids are often used as performance-enhancing drugs for building muscle mass. The androgenic and anabolic qualities of anabolic steroids help boosting up appetite, bone growth, and protein synthesis that help in the rapid development of muscle tissue. These drugs are widely used professional athletes and jocks to amplify their performance levels. Steroids are also commonly used by bodybuilders to enhance performance and influence human growth hormones. Anabolic steroids are the most popular, but controversial drugs nowadays. These steroids are one of the most widely used drugs in the world. Steroids are used by men and women, boys and girls, young and old, children and adults, and married and unmarried. According to the 2005 Youth Risk Behavior Surveillance System (URBS) survey conducted by the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), 8% of all high school students surveyed reported using steroids, pills or injections without a doctor's prescription. The survey also revealed that more male students use steroids than female students. The majority of young males aging between 15 to 25 and non-competitive bodybuilders and non-athletes were reported using steroids. According to the 2005 Monitoring the Future study, MFS, conducted by the National Institute on Drug Abuse, NIDA, between 18% to 40% of students in the 8th, 10th and 12th grades were found using steroids. The study revealed that the students using steroids buy steroids very easily without any problem. Steroids are easily available for them. However, the most concerning finding of the study is that the terms, such as Arnold's, gym candies, pumpers, Roids, stackers, weight trainers, juices are the common terms nowadays at schools and educational institutions.